two titans are joining forces, and it's about to completely shake up the creative world as we know it.
All right, let's dive right in. We're going to be talking about a partnership that is set to completely shake up the creative world as we know it. We've got two absolute titans, Adobe and NVIDIA, teaming up, and believe me, this signals a massive shift in how basically everything gets made, from a movie poster to a huge global ad campaign. So what does this actually mean for everyone? So let's start with the big why. Why this partnership and why right now? Well, it really boils down to one single overwhelming fact. The world is demanding more and more content, way more than we can currently create, and the old ways of doing things, they just can't keep up anymore. We are smack in the middle of a content explosion.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This is the main challenge that industry leaders are focused on. Here's Adobe's own CEO, Shantanu Narayan, putting it as plainly as possible. The demand is just surging, and the only way to possibly meet it is to completely reinvent the entire process using AI. This isn't just a little upgrade. We're talking about a total reinvention.
And that, right there, brings us to the solution. To handle this explosion, two of the absolute biggest names in tech are forming a truly strategic alliance. And I want to be clear, this is way more than just a simple collaboration. It's a deep, deep integration of their core technologies.
Okay, now what's so cool about this is just how perfectly their roles fit together. You can think of it like this. Adobe, they provide the canvas, the world-class creative tools like Photoshop and Premiere Pro that practically everyone uses. And then you have NVIDIA, who brings the engine, the raw, mind-bending computing power that makes all of this modern AI even possible. See? One really can't operate at this new level without the other.
And as NVIDIA's founder and CEO Jensen Huang points out here, it's not like these two are strangers. They've been working together for over 2 decades. But what's happening now is on a whole different level. This is a massive commitment to basically merge their research and engineering teams to build the very foundation for the next generation of creative tools.
So how is this actually going to change things for real people? Well, the whole partnership really rests on a couple of key pillars. Let's kick things off with the first one, which is all about supercharging the tools that millions of us are already using every single day.
And this really isn't just about making things go faster. By building the next generation of Adobe's Firefly AI directly on NVIDIA's super advanced tech stack, we're talking about their CUDA-X and NeMo libraries. The real goal is to give creators something they've been begging for, way more precision and a lot more control. The AI stops being this kind of mysterious black box and turns into a powerful co-pilot that you can actually direct.
And this shot right here, it just perfectly illustrates the scale of this whole thing. We are not talking about one little feature in one app. No way. This AI upgrade, powered by that NVIDIA engine, is being woven into Adobe's entire creative suite. From photo editing in Photoshop to video workflows in Premiere Pro, it's all getting smarter, faster, and way more powerful.
Okay, let's shift gears to the second pillar, because this is where it all builds into something even more revolutionary. If the first pillar was about making our current tools better, this one is about automating entire workflows. And folks, this is where things start to feel like science fiction.
The big buzzword you're going to hear is agentic AI. Now, it sounds complicated, but the idea behind it is actually pretty simple and unbelievably powerful. Instead of you giving the AI one command at a time, you just give it a complex goal. The AI agent then goes to work all on its own to make it happen. Seriously, think of it like hiring a whole team of expert AI assistants that never get tired and can manage an entire project from start to finish.
Another absolute game changer is this concept of the 3D digital twin. Just imagine a brand can create a perfect virtual copy of their brand new sneaker. Once that digital twin exists in the cloud, an AI can generate a practically limitless variety of marketing materials, studio shots, lifestyle images, you name it, all without a single expensive and time-consuming photo shoot.
Okay, so let's put it all together. What does a workflow look like in this new world? Well, you scan a product, the AI instantly creates its digital twin. Then, an agentic AI takes that twin and designs an entire advertising campaign around it. And then, as if that's not enough, that same agent automatically personalizes and rolls out that content for every single social media platform, website, and ad format out there. The efficiency gain is just staggering to think about.
Now, this all sounds incredible in theory, right? But is it actually working? Is this just a really cool science project, or is it a real business strategy that's actually delivering results? Well, let's take a look at the numbers.
This slide from Adobe's latest quarterly earnings report pretty much tells the whole story. Even before this massive new deal with NVIDIA, Adobe's big bet on an AI-first strategy was already paying off in a huge way.
First up, the big one, the top-line revenue. Over $6 billion for a single quarter. That's a 12% jump from the year before, which is a really strong sign of a healthy, growing company that is absolutely making the right moves.
Now let's talk about scale, because this number is just massive. Adobe has over 850 million people using its platforms every single month. That's a huge built-in audience just waiting to adopt and, yes, pay for all these new AI-powered features. The foundation for growth is already there.
And here is the real kicker. This chart shows the money coming in from their new AI-first apps. It didn't just grow, it more than tripled in just 1 year. This isn't just growth, my friends, this is explosive demand. It proves that customers aren't just playing around with these tools, they are baking them into the very core of their businesses.
So, after looking at all the tech and the hard numbers, what does this all really mean? What's the big takeaway from this monster alliance?
Well, when you boil it all down, this is about a fundamental change in how we work. The era of purely manual creation, of spending hours painstakingly adjusting every single pixel, it's giving way to a totally new model, human-AI collaboration. The creator's job is shifting from being the laborer to being the director, guiding these incredibly powerful AI tools to bring a creative vision to life.
And that leaves us with one last really fascinating question to chew on. As AI starts to take over more and more of the how, what does that mean for our role in the what and the why? When the process itself becomes automated, what is the new, most valuable part of human creativity? That's a question I think we're all going to be answering together. Thanks for joining me.
The creator's job is shifting from being the laborer to being the director. So when the how becomes automated, what becomes the most valuable part of your creativity?